Hello, grade 4. Now we will start lesson 2. Lesson 2 talk about the state of the matter. Who can tell me what are the states of the matter? Excellent. The state of the matter are solid state, liquid state, and gaseous states. It means there are three states of the matter. Solid as ice, iron, wood. Liquid as water, oil, milk. Gaseous like air, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Let's identify the properties of each of them. Let's start with the solid matter. We bring the stone or marble or metal and put them in a tube. What happens to its shape? Its shape doesn't change. Now, what about the volume? The volume doesn't change. Doesn't change means definite. So, solid has a definite shape and definite volume. Definite means don't change. Let's identify the liquid state. When we bring a 100 milliliter of water and pour them in a graduated cylinder, after that, pour them in a cylindrical flask. After that, pour them in a conical flask. What we notice? We notice that the volume don't change. So, liquid has definite volume. What about the shape? The shape changes. So, it's called indefinite. Change means indefinite. It means liquid has indefinite shape and definite volume. The liquids takes the shape and of their containers, but it has definite volume. Let's identify the gaseous matter. Gaseous matter, we went blow in a balloon some air. After that, tie it with a thread and press on the balloon. We noted that the shape and the volume changes. It means the shape and the volume of gas is indefinite. If a gas has indefinite shape and indefinite volume, the gases take the shape and the volume of their containers. It's important to note, we know that a gaseous matter, its only state of matter can't be pressed because it has indefinite shape and indefinite volume. Clear? So, solid states had definite shape and definite volume. Liquids has definite volume and indefinite shape. Gases has indefinite shape and indefinite volume. It takes the shape and the volume of their containers. Let's identify more about the state of the matter by this video.
Our matter is made of particles. It exists in three states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. The different states of matter are due to the different arrangement of particles of matter. In solid state, the particles of matter are very close to each other. So, the particles hold each other very tightly. That is, there is a strong force of attraction between them. As a result, solids have a definite shape and volume. In liquid state, the particles are packed closely together, but they are much farther apart than the particles in solids, and so the force of attraction is weaker than it is in solids. Therefore, liquids have a definite volume, but they do not have a definite shape. They take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. In gases, the particles of matter are very far away from each other, and so the force of attraction between them is very weak. Thus, gases have neither a definite shape nor volume. They can fill the entire space or volume of a container, irrespective of the container size.
Thank you. Goodbye.